Hello guys and welcome back into another video, and in today's video we are going to review this Crash N Change Speedway of the Quick Changers toy line from the first Cars 2 era. You know, there also writes its other names, but Crash N Change Speedway is its official English name. And we also have some of these guys to test it out. I will tell about these guys later, but point of the video is trying out the track. So now, let's begin. First, no, mine is not sealed, alright? It's old, really old. I have it since it came out, like first time Cars 2 came out. This is an old stuff, Now, firstly, let's get the parts out of it. This Charlie is damaging the box a lot. I can reassure you guys. And here it is. Well, let's get the roads out of there too. Alright, we got all the parts out, so they're here. Let's first look at the box with you guys. So, this is a Disney Pixar Cars Crash and Change Quick Changers Race Speedway. As you can see, this is a track. It's like crazy 8. Like it's 8. In the box art, you can see Lightning McQueen, Graham, Francesco, and Shu to the racing in the track. And we can see that Francesco was right there, but then he flied off into the sky. Now, this is how the boxes in the right. Crash N Change Speedway, and it is in all, since this is international box, it tries in all European languages, like there's Greek here. You see, this is basically what this line was, plastic cars, and when you touch on top of them, they changed their face. See? So here it shows the step. First step, pull the lever. We can see Francesco is falling off. Second step, blockade, and we can see two cars crashing each other. And third space, not third, but McQueen is standing at the podium. Now, in the fourth place is the podium, and third one is this. And we can see a happy kid who's happy that he just killed Francesco Bernoulli. Alright, enough with the box. You guys can see, this is again the top of it. This came with a special McQueen that I lost. It's plastic. Oh wait, it actually has, yeah, the other part of it. Now, this part of the video, you're going to watch me build this set. Alright, let's see how will I do it. You guys can see, we can also do some height measures. And I guess this will be the boring part for you guys, so let's just quickly do it. I'll try to assemble it by looking at the box. Like looking at this. So then let's begin. There's this. Let's put the box here so you guys and I can have a better look at what am I going to assemble here. Yeah, this alright. And it's gone because of the wind. And this is the other part. So this is the part where they're supposed to be connected, right? Oh, no, it's not. Yeah. But let's get this out first. This and... wait. Thanks, Wint. You aren't making this easy. Alright, so this is our base. Alright, guys? This is the camera. This is one of the actually play features of it. You can close the road maneuvering the camera, the lemon spike. Right here. Right. This was one of my most favorite play features at the time. Anyway, you can see. Oh, alright. First, let's do the cool stuff. You see this? Bam! A billboard. You see that? Bam! A globy billboard that you can fly your cars into, like this. Wait, guys, let me show it to you. Alright, you guys, you ready? Ready for some action? Whoa. Pew! This was the literal play feature. Nothing else. Alright then, let's continue this. So then we are going to build our spin. These are not good as you can just chill out. I'll probably cut these parts in late editing, since it's really what I'm doing is really boring. Doesn't really make sense for you guys to watch the pain of me building this. Wait. Let's go. We actually have a connection here. Come on. Watch the boat. Now, yeah, we all have two mini supports for this to not fall apart. Let's put them into. It is supposed to be like right here. It's not that important. You just need to adjust its height so it doesn't fall off. Now, guys, here's the middle connection. This is the centerpiece. Okay, wait. I'm just making you. This is the centerpiece. All right, guys. I cannot connect this. Wait a minute, guys. The box just got another. Oofed. Okay, we connected it all. Now we need these, as you can see, you need to make the supports touch the ground. As you can see, they're currently elevating. And okay, this part's done. Now this. Wait a minute, guys. Alright. This looks like a perfect ride. Let's check it. No, see? Marvelous job. Now there's only one thing left. Connecting these two by looking at this box. So I will just... alright, like this. That box just died again. Box left us again. Wait, is it going to be like this? Wait. It needs to be. It doesn't connect any other way. How is this going? Why? Thank God it didn't broke. Guys, can you understand how this works? Like, alright, disconnects. Yeah. Okay, let's try to be calm, alright? this, let's do it as in the box art. Alright. As you guys can see, we have this part. It's no problem. And also the troubling part is making this part. Wow, this video is already 10 minutes. Let's give it a short break. You can, but showing you the guy's decals. Wait. As you can see, there are cute globy decals in World Grand Prix. Same world, and another Alanol sticker all over the track. At least they think of something. And this was one of the main play features of the thing. But you guys will see it lately once we finish this. Alright then, let's continue my mental torture with this. I'll just put the camera here for some aesthetic shots for you guys. Alright, this is fun. Wait a minute, guys. I'm sorry for this, guys, but you know, yeah, I need to do this so that I can show it to you. Over. I think we're having it, guys. I think we're having it. I think it's almost done. And it's done. We did it, guys. We did it. We completed the, what's his name? Crash N Change Speedway in 12 minutes. Hooray! Now that is off, I will show you the cars we will test. First off is Nigel Gearsley. This is actually, what was this line's name again? Quick Changers. He's actually a Quick Changers diecast, as you can see. When he crashes. Now we have, as you can see, a mismade Verinder. You can see it's supercharged Lightning McQueen. Now another lenticular Lightning McQueen. A World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen from the Cars 2 era, you know. And a next gen from a Blue Desert collection. The gaskets next gen, if you guys want to know. I've linked them all because they're all from 3 different movie eras. No, guys. And I also have a knockoff here, which literally says Super Racing Car. Alright then. Since this guy's a knockoff, we'll put him right here in the camera, alright? He's the bad guy who's trying to pull these cars out of the race. This path is closed, alright? Okay, guys? Now let's fix these guys. Alright. Now let's put the main start of Quick Changers. Quick Changers Niles Gearsley. Up on the track. Here we go. Wait. He's stuck. And he's stuck. Wonderful. And ta-da! This is the main play feature of this, guys. Wait. Ta-da! This is the main track feature of it. Now, you can also have bonuses like this. Wait a minute. I couldn't show it to you guys. Now, see, we close that road. You guys ready for some action? Bam! He flied away. Nice toy, Mattel. No. You're going to make this a 2-car competition. We have the lenticular and World Grand Prix McQueen, which are all chipped. Wait. See? Wait. I'll take you out of there, lenticular. Ready, McQueen? See, these metal guys are heavy. Because of that, they can't do a normal 360-degree turn and go back into there. Also, you guys can roll this back up. No. Alright, now let's train this with the next gem. See, metal cars are heavy that they cannot go up there. But now let's see this with the plastic car. Oh no. Oh lord. Maybe they just don't have speed. Nah. No, I think it's my fault. Now then, let's try this with the... Alright guys, you ready? We're spinning the camera. The pad's open. Let's try crashing the globy billboard with the proper car. World Grand Prix Lionel McQueen. See, he didn't even get speed while flying through. Now, this. Let's just focus on here. See, Nigel fly. I think it's because let's try it with the lenticular. Wait, guys. See, he didn't even fly. Nigel, let's go, bro. See, Nigel at least flew. See, the problem with this, guys, it's just the height of it makes the cars not turn around that much. But here's also another cool feature of this that I loved. Let's zoom it out a little. Wait, as you can see. Wait a minute, guys. We lost them. Oh no. I think this is the best feature of this track. You can actually recreate the Tokyo race podium from the end of the Tokyo race. See? They actually made a whole podium for it. Movie, like they try to make it movie accurate as much as they can do. See? 3 stands. Wow. That was nice. Yeah. And overall, I'm giving this track a 7 out of 10, you know, since it's a very well think one for children, and as you can see. Wait. You guys have seen this, right? It's a cool play feature for a 5-year-old at that time. So, I'm giving this a 7 out of 10. If you want more on these track reviews, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Now, let's end this with the horror of everyone. Bye!